Welcome back to Bike Lab, the place where we break down real-world machines for real-world riders. Today's video is all about the 2026 Coleman CT200U, the newest iteration of one of the most popular mini bikes on the market. If you've been wondering what's changed, what's improved, and whether it's still the king of budget trail riding, settle in, this quick deep dive is for you. Overview of the 2026 CT200U. The 2026 Coleman CT200U stays true to the spirit of the classic mini bike: simple mechanics, a rugged build, and a torque-happy engine that thrives on dirt paths and backyard trails. But this year's version arrives with refinements that riders have been asking for: tighter handling, improved ride comfort, and a more modern feel without abandoning its old-school charm. Engine and performance. Under the seat, the CT200U continues with its reliable 196 cubic centimeters class engine, tuned to deliver strong low-end power that beginners appreciate and seasoned riders respect. The 2026 model features smoother throttle response and reduced vibration, making longer sessions noticeably easier on the hands and arms. It's not built for speed, it's built for control, predictability, and the kind of torque that gets you up small hills and across uneven terrain with confidence. Frame, suspension, and handling. The frame design remains familiar: steel, sturdy, and built to take abuse, but now benefits from reinforced weld points and a more balanced weight distribution. The suspension setup also receives an upgrade, offering a touch more travel to soften rough surfaces without making the bike feel spongy. Steering feels more precise, especially at low speeds, thanks to subtle geometry tweaks that help the CT200U track straighter and corner tighter on dirt. Braking and safety. The 2026 CT200U maintains its simple mechanical braking system but improves stopping power with updated pads and a more responsive lever feel. Riders will notice shorter stopping distances and more consistent braking performance, even after extended use. Safety is also helped by a more robust chain guard and improved heat shielding around the exhaust. Comfort and ergonomics. Coleman finally listened to longtime riders and upgraded the seat. The new cushioning is denser yet more forgiving, making the bike more comfortable for taller riders without sacrificing stability. Handlebar positioning remains relaxed and neutral, reducing fatigue during extended rides. The bike's noise profile has also been softened slightly, giving it a less buzzy and more refined sound. Who the CT200U is for. The 2026 CT200U is ideal for anyone looking for an affordable entry into off-road riding. It's perfect for weekend fun, beginners learning throttle control, or seasoned riders wanting a low-maintenance trail toy. It isn't trying to compete with full-size dirt bikes. Its charm is in its simplicity, durability, and accessibility. Final thoughts. The 2026 Coleman CT200U doesn't revolutionize the mini bike world, but it doesn't need to. It improves what mattered most, keeps the price within reach, and remains one of the most approachable off-road machines you can buy. If you want a dependable, fun, no-nonsense trail bike, the CT200U continues to deliver exactly that. Thanks for watching Bike Lab. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe for more real rider reviews.